Hello everyone, today we're playing Battle Cats. Now, this game is basically where you throw a bunch of cats together and fight. So I'm pretty much just started, like, I didn't want to show chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, which probably is boring. And, yeah, probably just it. We are going to do the Cyclones and Praise Fishnets, which is crazy. We're going to save up for White Rabbit, and that's probably much it. It should be almost over. Which is great. It's great for me to listen. Don't worry. Let them attack me. It's not good. Now that should be. Oh, okay, there's dogs. Are you gonna die, Bahamut? Are you gonna die? Ooh, that's kind of hard. No, get rid of these stupid dogs. Go to heck, dog. Ugly. No, stop attacking her. Jesus. How are you getting knocked out by a stupid dog? We're gonna skip for White Rabbit, and that dog's pretty much alright. Keep doing it. I don't care. Boom, you're done. And boom, knock back. Boy, stop playing. Get White Rabbit in here. You should be good, right? Yeah, we're gonna be good. Don't worry. We got Tiny Cat. We got. So I'm definitely gonna show you guys the 3 moons. Now, it's gonna be fun, alright? This is gonna be so much fun. Like, bro, the dog ain't really scary, bro. Those birds ain't scary either. Okay, kill Valkyrie. Alright, I see how it is. I see. You killed them. Alright, stop it, bro. It's not scary. You don't love your pet, but you lots of money, bro. Stop attacking my... Stop it, bro. You're so annoying. Jesus. Bro, if you kill my... Alright. Keep leveling up. Bro, dead anyway. Stop attacking my cat. Jesus. It's not even a hard stage. Alright, that's good. That's pretty much good. I got this guy 1 ticket. You think I'm cheating, bro? I got Bahamut. I'm definitely gonna make a guide. Stay tuned for that. I'm gonna make a guide on that really soon. I'm gonna make a guide. Chapter 1. Now, I'm definitely gonna make a guide. I hope you guys really my pain and suffering. Alright, let's go to here. Cowboy Heaven. That's probably not a good idea. We probably should get heaven things in here. Because you already know. So you don't know. Let me see. Angel. Let's go to Angel real quick. We're gonna get rid of Tiny Cat. Megador is completely useless. We're not gonna use her. That's probably a good strategy right there. And now we need a couple more feathers, which is gonna be. Oh my goodness. Alright. I know one thing that can kill this thing, and that's probably we're gonna need to like stall them as long as we can, bro. Because if we don't stall them, bro, they're gonna keep going to my base, and I hate this so much, bro. Like, bro, it's so like, bro. Can we just kill them already? Like, bro, why? Just Bahamut, go in here, please. Thank you very much. There's one simple pig. You only need one good shot to kill it. And goodbye. See, that's simple, children. Always use your brain. Unless you wanna stay in school. I mean, I'm almost in high school as well, which is great. Oh no, bro. Man, this is just horrible. Like, the dog's probably gonna... If the dog's being go inside his face. Boom! Oh my goodness, that's lots of money. That is a lot of money. I'm not gonna kill them. You guys are so weak, bro. Let's stack up these right here. Not we got that back 1. They ain't that bad. It could be worse. Alright, Bahamut, you did great. But they'll give you like 1,000. I need all up in here. Don't know what that is. So I'm gonna make a good thumbnail for this video. That's gonna be great. But still, these stupid. Oh my goodness, Valkyrie, you're so garbage, bro. What's in that black cat? I mean, Valkyrie. The problem about Valkyrie is there's like really powerful units and they're really fast. If Valkyrie is gonna get killed because first, number one, Valkyrie cannot attack. Either I'm gonna make a guide on the series, so I'll definitely make a guide. If you want like a guide of making like stuff, bro, don't attack him, bro. Get this ready. Stop knocking. Alright, fine, I'll try. Jesus Christ, bro. So annoying. Really, this is what you got. You know what? These guys are not even scary at this point. I'm not, like, the pig is even weaker than this, so I don't care. Vomit, just do a good shot, bro. Like, she is very good of, like, if Olympic Hotline can get one good hit in, bro, he might be able to kill one of them. That's good. That's obviously lovely. He's 20 good shields. Fire the cat cannon, boys! Like, bro, get this thing out of my face. I'm gonna make a guide for chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 moon. Don't worry, Bahamut's coming up on the way. This is gonna be so easy. There we go. Got nothing. That's just sad. Like, bro, it's pretty easy. How much do we need? Let's go Gompton real quick. Gompton, buddy, what's up? Ah. Got 4 Papu. I mean, an engine here. No, that's good. That's decent. Alright, buddy, what do you got? We need 5 of those for our slow beam cannon. And that's all we freaking need. You don't know what that is. It basically makes it so they can't, like, I wish we can get that. That'll make it so much easier. I need all of this. Now, I am going to refill my energy. Because I have tons of... Oh, okay. No, go back. There's a freaking head. Alright. Yeah. So, this is great, honestly. We're going to need Mother Cat instead of you. I'm pretty sure we're going to keep Bright Rabbit. I want you. Get rid of you. And also... What else? Yeah, let's get you in here instead of you, because you're gonna get replaced. Actually, no, let's not put. I mean, Valkyrie just gets killed, so we could replace her. But what we do want is like a head in here. That's what we need. Oh no, let's get Captain Cat in here. Also, let's get rid of you. Instead of you, we're gonna put Face Cat in here. Face Cat would be so good, bro. Go here. Stop. Alright, here we go. Face Cat. Here we go. We're gonna add you in here. He was whatchamacallit. Alright. There's only 8 to 6 levels, right? There's not gonna be. Oh, okay. Let's get Tank Cat in here. Just to. Alright. Keep doing them. Keep doing them. Keep on doing them, buddy. Keep on doing them. Alright. Keep firing. Keep on firing. Alright, this guy's pretty easy, I would say. They keep on slowing. This guy is showing. Okay, this black. It might be even more scarier because this guy's gonna be blocking. I literally everything. Oh my god, he's so annoying. He's annoying me. He was annoying me. Alright, we need to get rid of the dragon's just gonna keep on howling. Keep on doing what it's doing. We're gonna keep on leveling it up. Alright, he's already dead. I mean, they give you like a lot of money. Now, we're gonna send out Bahamut. We could just send these guys out and they're just gonna keep on firing, which is nice. Because they're just gonna take a couple hits and we're just gonna send Bahamut out there. Bro, he's already dead. Plus, he gives a lot of money, which is nice. But the problem is about this guy is they're just gonna keep on coming and just like I'm definitely gonna make a beginner guide because all that people just recommend all of these dumb cats we don't have. killing them. Oh god. You freeze them, right? You freeze them, right? We need another Captain Cat, please. Keep sending out the units, please. Bro, Captain Cat. I guess they can handle only one, but alright. Black Cat's helping here. Black Cat is definitely helping. The Shy Boys are really annoying. They keep on killing my cats. That's not good. Okay, they're already dead, which is nice. Let's go a little bit. She's not even a problem. Okay, let's do that. There we go. That's not even... Okay, that's good. That's decent. Like, bro, get this man out of here. It's not even that great anyways. Like, this guy's gonna keep me on the back. This is easy, honestly, bro. Like, I faced a bigger threat than a bunch of child, right? I faced a bigger threat than that. Like, a red head, sure, might be a little bit, if they came out right away, it might be a little bit scary than a blue head. Like, if the blue head comes out, if it touches the base, that might be a little bit of a threat, but, yeah. I need feathers, bro. See this real quick? Oh my goodness, bro, I feel alive. Alright, what else? What else can we do? Complete XP for 5 times. I'm definitely doing that. I'm definitely finna do that too. Alright, good. You know what, guys? Why not we upgrade? So we got Wildcat. If we get Macho, that would be so great, bro. Alright, that's not bad. That might be recycling. Let's do that, please. Thank you very much. That's the I mostly get those. It's either wallet, this, or cats. And I'd rather get the cats, thank you. Alright, should I refill my energy? I might. It depends, bro. It's gonna depend. And it might be worth it, but I'm saving my cat food for better places. I mean, we're gonna do the zombie outbreak too. Why not do zombie outbreak and after that? We did this. I'm definitely gonna make a guide, don't worry. I'm gonna make a guide. Alright, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna end it here. I'm just gonna keep grinding out, and also I make a Battle Cat video every Monday, every single Monday. I might make it every month. It might be home. Check the time real quick. So guys, so Monday, I'm gonna make another video. It depends. It's gonna be like another. I think I'm gonna make another. Next video is gonna be like tomorrow, I guess. Like, bro, get the man out of here. Oh goodness, it's bad. I mean, we got plenty of cats for this. Well, it's not a threat. I mean, those cats are before not a threat. But still. What? Bro. It's not even funny. This can we kill him? What a man died. One hit. Oh, wow, no, when he did die. Head cat, I don't think I need you, but still, I like it. I mean, if you had Apple Cat, you could use Red Cyclone. And Captain Cat, you could use Red Cyclone. Or Red Cyclone. I'm definitely gonna make a guide on that too, because, well, I think I'm definitely, if I have Captain Cat and Face Cat, might be a good option. Face Cat's gonna be a good option. White Rabbit might be useful here. Baham's gonna be useful. He's gonna be useful if you can get powered up. If you can get powered up and blend that hit run so much damage. Like 60 grand is like, this guy has 1 million. I think he has 800 health. So 60,000, it's like a lot of damage. I'm pretty sure that's like 5%. Get this guy out here now. Gotta make sure they don't get I wish I had a zombie killer, bro. Oh, no. Get him again. Oh, he lured his gun. Come on, man. You're I'm not helping you. There's no way. Like, bro, you deserve to die, bro. Get this man. Okay, Face Cat did it. Alright, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this lovely video. First of all, we're gonna upgrade our cats. We're actually upgrade our cats. That might be useful. I mean, Face Cat we're gonna need to evolve as well. I'm pretty sure gains extra money and only attacks metal. Don't even try. No one digs this guy. Only attacks metal with critical. So this guy might be useful. We don't need extra money yet. If we need extra money, that probably would be it. So yes. So that's probably it. I probably will do it, but it's probably gonna be me just. Where's our? Oh no, let's go to red. Let's go to red. Upgrade Titan Cat here. Just a tiny bit, just a tiny bit. I'm not gonna level up too much. And then we could like level up, Face Cat maybe. Yeah, level up Face Cat. Stop. Level up Face Cat a bit, and that's it. I'll get to go to the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.